Welcome guys. We are about to continue our lesson. Today I want to teach you how to use pay for me service to pay your Chinese suppliers. If you are not having a verified Alipay account, yes, this video is for you. If you have a verified Alipay account and your friend is not having, this video is for you. You learn and you teach your friend. So watch this video from A to Z so that you learn every step that you are going to follow in order to pay your Chinese suppliers. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it. So first of all, you are going to open your 1688 app. You have to open it and then wait for it to load. Yes, our 1688 app is loaded, and what you do basically here is to select or click on the product you wanted to procure. So you click on the product. When it gets to this page, you are going to add it to your cart. I've already taught that in my previous lessons. You add it to your cart. When you add it to your cart, then you proceed to place order. Proceed to place order. This one also I've done it, and with the help of the arrow you should be able to see how it is done. It's very simple and you have to just follow the steps to do so. Yeah, so after placing order, it will take you to this page. When it takes you to this page, do not click on the orange button there. Just ignore it and then go back to your home tab and scroll to locate your Google Chrome browser. When you locate your Google Chrome browser, you make sure you click on the tabs and empty the tabs. Also make sure your Google Chrome browser is always up to date. It's always up to date. So in your search button, you type 1688 and allow it to load. So it has loaded perfectly. So I'm already logged in. So what I will do is to switch to the desktop site. I'll switch it to the desktop site or the desktop version for that one to load also. Yes, this is how the desktop version looks like. When it comes this way, you are going to zoom in to locate pending payment or pending orders. Zoom in very well to locate it, as I've done in the video. So you zoom it, then you locate. You can see where the 2 is written. Yes, I click on that and then allow it to load. Yeah, when it loads, it brings you to this page directly. Now, these are the items in your cart. So you are going to locate one of those orange buttons. That is one of your products that you want to procure. So you click on one of those orange buttons that I've already shown. You click on it. Then it will load and take you to the next page. The next page is this. Zoom in and see the orange button there. They've written to pay on it. To pay on it. You click on that. You click on it. You can translate it to see how everything is. It is so beautiful. It is just so simple to work with. So you go and click on that button. To pay. So you click on to pay and then it loads. When it loads, after clicking on it, allow it to load perfectly. It will bring you to this page. When you're on this page, you are 80% done. So over here, just zoom in very well. Zoom in very well. Zoom in very well. You see what? Find someone to pay. You click on it and this page will open for you. When this page opens for you, you input the Alipay number of the person You input the person's Alipay number in that box area, and then you finally click on ask him to pay. Immediately you do that, a notification is going to be sent to the person directly. Then you only wait for the person to make payment on your behalf, and everything is going to reflect on your 1688 app and website, where you get your tracking number by yourself. Nobody have to track your goods for you. It's so simple and so perfect, and it works perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. It's a step-by-step video, so watch it carefully and then give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to get more of such videos.